This is the unpacking and assembly video of the DGP series feed extruder. Unpack the wooden box, check the accessories, and prepare for installation. Step 1. Install the cutter part 2, the front of the device. Align the hinge holes and tighten the buckles according to the video. Step 2. Place the dustpan at the outlet. Step 3. Place the hopper on the top of the machine. Align the 4 screw holes and secure them. Step 4. Connect the hopper motor control line. Step 5. Install the cutter motor control line in the same way. Step 6. Place the small hopper and protective cover according to the video and lock the buckle.